unfinished business.
Ducky, 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 duck. Swanee? Swanee? How I love you! How I love you! I give up. I've been working too hard. Take me to the Betty Fur Clinic!
Look at him. Did you guys see a firework? Honk at him, 'cause honky is the best we've heard. We'll be leaving all the song in this whole shebang. Maybe you'll forgive us all, and we hope we're enough so be our gang.
Of course I forgive you. I'm just so happy to see you all again. And I want to introduce you to someone. This is Penny.
Hello, Penny.
Drake, welcome home, my dear. I've been thinking. I'm getting very long in the bill, and I feel the time is right to relinquish the red band. Wear with pride, my dear, for you're indeed the finest bird in the lake, as I know I was in my day. And let it be known, from this day forth, the red band shall be known as the Signet Ring.
Look at him, look at us, see like we're friends. Why be thinking of us?
I always knew that my family was blessed with royal blood. Oh, yes, 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 yes!
What?